Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaris. So in this video, we're just going to do some cleanup and restarts before we get to our operating system deployment. All right, let's get started. So first things first, we're going to go to our DC02, right click, power. We'll restart our guest and we'll wait for the logon screen. I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, and DC02 is restarted. So now we're going to restart GW01, right click, power, restart guest. And we'll come back when that's ready. Okay, and now for CA01, right click, power, restart guest. We'll come back when that's ready. Okay, and now CM01, right click, power, restart guest. And we'll come back when that one's ready. All right, now we'll go to DC01, our last one, right click, and restart guest. And we'll come back when that's at the logon screen and we'll log in. Okay, and now we're here, Control-Alt-Insert. Let's log in. There we go. We're going to open up our terminal from the taskbar here. Give that a moment to load. Okay, and we're going to do about 2 minutes. So there we go, copy and paste. And I'll come back when that's ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. All right, first things first, we're going to sync our time. We're going to clean up some recently opened items and start. We're going to clear all of our logs. Then we're going to do a sync and exit there. So copy from 35 down to the end of 52. Paste. Give that a few moments. It's going to clear all of our logs. And almost there. There we go. Synced all, terminated with no errors, and exit. We can click this notification icon, make sure there's no notifications, and click the desktop. Now we're going to go to DC02, Control-Alt-Insert, log in there as well. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to sync our time with DC01 and do some cleanup and a replication. Okay, so give that a moment to load. There it is, from the end of 84 up to 67, and paste that there. Give that a few moments. And there we go. Terminate with no errors. We're good there. Make sure there's no notifications, and there are not. So, gateway, Control-Alt-Insert, same thing. We're going to sync our time and clean up. Okay. Open up our terminal. Give this a second to load. We'll copy from the end of 113 up to 99 and paste that there. There we go. Okay, exit. Make sure there are no notifications. And there we go. CA01. There we go. Open that puppy up. We're going to go from the end of 142 up to 128 and copy now, paste. There we go. The only thing we're going to do special with CM01 is verify that all of our services have started. Okay, so CM01, same thing, sorry. Make sure there's no notifications. And now CM01. Okay, we'll log in. I'm going to open up terminal. I'm going to type services.msc. I'm going to click on startup type to sort. I'm going to look for automatic and automatic delayed. Make sure all of them are running. The only one that's not running is Microsoft Edge Update. But like I said, you can discard update service and software protection. Close services. We're good there. And click from 183 up to 169. Sync our time and clear our logs. There we go. All right. Close. Let's look in here, no notifications. Now on all VMs, what we're going to do is we're going to open our terminal again. Just like that. And we're going to invoke all of our actions for our client, okay? Just to make sure everything is clean. There we go. Let that go. I can do that on all of them. Paste, paste. Let it run through. Press enter to exit. Enter to exit. Same on all of these. And CM01. There we go. So now we're on CM01. We're going to open up Configuration Manager console for the taskbar. Give that a few moments. Okay. There we are. We're going to click on Monitoring. We're going to go to System Status, expand it. Site Status, everything is green. Component Status, scroll all the way down to the bottom and see if there's anything that's yellow. Okay. I said verify all green or yellow, but then what we're going to do is we're going to look at this yellow and we'll reset it. Okay. So click on Reset Counts, all, right click, Reset Counts, error, right click, Reset Counts, warning, Reset Counts, information. I'm going to right click it again, click refresh, and now everything is green. And we should be good. Now we can close Configuration Manager. Everything is clean, everything is synced, and we're ready for our OSD. I will see you in the next video.